We're doing this, team. We are doing this. You can witness it live happening. Is this thing loading? Let's go. Let's take it up. Let's take it up. Let's take it up. Let's take it up. Let us stack this up. We're stacking it up. Okay. Yo, it's like the network is trying to stop us, but it won't. That's one thing that I know for sure. It's not gonna tell us what we're supposed to do. We're doing this on a bigger level, team. We're doing this on a bigger level. Let's go. So yeah, man, like how I was saying, sorry about that, guys. I think the weather, it's messing up the rain. Yo, I remember there was a few days ago when I wanted to place a trade. I think it was last week or something. No, not last week, 2 weeks ago when I wanted to place a trade because of that network. Yo, you place a trade, it doesn't activate, and then the network is a bit sketchy. Boom, when you check, it's insane. So let's go hard on it. Let me just make sure that I share this so the team has it. Everyone is able to join in. Yes. So just by looking at it, you can simply see how things are moving. Yeah, just to make sure that you guys can hear me, everything is safe, comment in the comment section. Let's see this comment in the comment section. Let's see on TikTok. Let's see, bro. Let's see. Can you guys hear me? Yes, Sizwe. Let's see on YouTube. Can you guys? Vamos. Nice one, team. Nice one, team. Nice one, team. Nice one, team. Let's see, guys. Shoot those comments. Yes, okay, perfect. Nice one. And how's the quality on you guys' side? How's the quality on TikTok as well? How's the quality on you guys' side? Is it dope? Yebo. Nice, we here, bro. Nice one, team. How's the quality as well there on TikTok? Quality is good, perfect, top, nice. I like this. You good, okay? Okay, the 1%, oh, okay. Let's go. Okay, guys, we're doing this. We are doing this, team. We are doing this. Perfect. Okay, quality is 100%. Quality is dope. Okay, I love this, bro. We love you, bro. I love you too. We're doing this, guys. We're doing this. So, guys, I'm currently on the journey to, making trading be, interesting, better, nice. I don't know, man. I just feel like the industry was a bit more messed up, but, if we mess it up, we fix it. I don't know. I didn't mess it up though. Hands in the air. I did not mess it up. Hands in the air. But I just mean, if, I played a part, I must fix it. But, yeah, so gold. I can already see that this was a break like obviously looking at normal book terms, higher, 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 low, higher, high, higher, low, higher, high. I'm looking for a higher low and then higher high. You get it? So that's all that I'm looking for on gold. And yeah, man. So there's also ways to it now. Like what I mean is sometimes trades do not work out exactly from the actual beginning. You know, trades might not work out. So I might have this be my entry area here, and then price goes, tags me in, then takes me out. But also this was tested, I see. Also this year could have been another entry, yes, here, which means that if that doesn't work out, I'm still gonna have another buy here. Sorry, I'm still gonna have another buy here, and then my stop is gonna be either here or either here. Depends, man. Depends on how I feel, truly speaking. It's just a matter of how I feel, because ultimately 2%, I'm still coming here and I'm still securing my 2%. Yes, you see here, so I can still secure it here. It's just that if I'm gonna put it here, it's gonna be more tighter. My 2% is gonna come a bit more quicker, but also price can maybe like get here and then, like, let's say take my stop and then go back up, you see. So those are things, that's just like, you know, the disadvantages and things like that, but that could happen. So my first entry is going to be this one here. This is me. This is 100% on me. Meaning that if I take a loss, I don't want someone to cry and say, oh no, I took a signal, I went against. No, this is me. If I take a loss, I'm suffering from my loss. If I take a loss, if you take a loss, I don't benefit. I don't lose. I don't benefit. I don't win. If I take a loss, I lose. I lost money. So if you're affected, I'm also affected, because you know we got money to this. And as well, you can see this one here. This would be my second entry. So with this one here, I was looking for another entry on the 5 minute. On the 5 minute, and looking at it, I don't really think that price might get there. I don't think so. So it will just be a management, like, look at it. Obviously, first entry, second entry. If it takes me out both entries, I'll just take it easy. I'll see the markets tomorrow. You know, there's more opportunity. So this is on gold. Let's see US. Whew. Yeah, so this one here, we already caught a trade. Ooh, bro. And I literally can't, like, you know, aim to close it type thing, you know. Because this one here, I caught it yesterday. I even shared in the Telegram group, but I just didn't share it when I was about to enter. But yeah, man, we caught this beautiful, and I was waiting on it, bro. Yo, you can see how it's moving. Woo. And it's shooting up, bro. Yo. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Let us go. Let us go. Let us go. So already I'm running in trades on it, and I had already moved my stop loss to here, because I caught it yesterday when it was still, I took my first entry here. It went small in profits. Then it hit my stop loss. You see the stop loss here, this one here. I took this trade. Then, but I knew it's more like with gold, what I said, ne? Like here, if it goes and hits the stop loss, I won't cry and say, oh, why me? Things are against me. The market doesn't love me. No. I'll understand that anyways. I have another trade here. I'll take this. If it hits my stop loss, it's okay. Like, it's okay, bro. It does happen. Like, this is the markets, bro. If I was never wrong in the markets, every trader was going to be making $1 billion. That's if I was never wrong. If someone says they have a strategy that doesn't lose, that person can literally make 100 million every single day, is what I'm trying to say. You get it? But it doesn't work like that. This is in fact, the markets, you can lose and still be profitable, is what I'm trying to say. I know people that have a very small win rate, like a very small win rate, but they're 100% profitable, bro. Like, okay, not 100% profitable, okay, that didn't sound well, but like the win rate is small, but like they're profitable, like they are making money ultimately in the long. And because they're trading on bigger accounts, ultimately they are making way more than that one person that has an 80% win rate on a 1,000 account. You get it? So gold might not even come today. Looking at it, prices just skyrocketing upwards. I don't even know what's here. There's something going on. You see here, FOMC. Okay, this is at 9. What's this here? 40 minutes ago, 1 hour, 2 hours. Dow Jones, Newswire, COMEX, gold, delivery intentions breakdown. Let me see what's going on here. So sources, the CME group, intent date. Okay, this is the 18th. This is yesterday. Yeah, this is yesterday's date. The intent delivery date is tomorrow. Oh, okay. Oh, so these are the futures. Oh, okay, I see. Oh, that's some of the stuff that I was actually studying here. Okay, but I see now. So this was actually intended for this day, but now it's signed up for tomorrow. For the delivery should be tomorrow. So what's actually expected here? It should be issued 42 stock advantage features. Total master date 87 issued. Stop 876. So it's more like a break even. Like if we're looking at the totals, 876 month to date 10,000. So for now it's more like a break even in this 3 days. These are 2 days. Okay, so I wonder how this was able to affect the markets that we're currently in. But coming back down to NASDAQ, so I took this one, like I did say yesterday, it took me stop loss and it was not nice, obviously. But I knew that's why we took another entry. I took another entry here. Stop loss was below here. Take profit here 1:2, and the price went up. The price came back down, and then I was just, because now with me here already, when it was here, I was running at, like, let's say decent profits, like over 1%. You understand? So if, like, let's say your take profit was $2,000, 1% is like $1,000 if you can do the math. You see, so it was not nice mentally, especially looking at that money go back to negatives. But I'm excited because of the fact that I could have put my stop loss here and then went home with break even, but I didn't. I just held it, stuck to it, and then when price done this, when it went up, like you see, after it done this here, because as soon as I saw it breaking below here, let me go on the 15. As soon as I saw it breaking here on the 15, this is today, ne? That's when I moved my stop loss to. I even updated them in the team. I was like, guys, let's move our stop losses. And we did, bro. I won't lie. We did move our stop losses. And after we done that, like, basically, like, now we can see prices, like, it went down. It went a bit more down here. Here I was like, ish, this thing is still gonna, like, play around. It's still gonna, like, shoot wherever it wants to shoot. But, like, now while we're on this session, I can see just skyrocketed up. You can see, bro. It's going for take profit literally right now. So now it's just a management of, it's just a matter of management, ne? How do I manage it? So what I'm gonna do now is, I see this area got, this is on the 15 minutes. So 15 minutes, I can look at these areas here. This is where we are more likely to come. And here, okay, here we already tested it with this one here. So this one here, I won't really put it here anymore. I'm gonna remove this. I just wanted to see where breakouts can happen. In fact, I'm gonna put it like this. Yes, I need it more like this just to see the break of structure here. Yes, I can see this candle close below. And yeah, man, this trade was like, it was very emotional, truly speaking, because now there's ways to it, like, with these big pushes upwards, I can even, like, decide to, like, cap it, like, close profit on it type thing. Because let me see, we've got these areas here as well, so I could, like, either maybe decide to move my stop loss to, like, just here, yeah, like something like this. Why? So that if it's respecting this area here, this area you see here, if it's respecting it, I could still at least go back home with, like, maximum profits, ne? Like something more like this. So that's where I want to move my stop loss to. which is gonna be like 1:2. But ultimately, this is where my take profit is. So for now, since we're here together on this live session, we will get to look at it. I don't know. I believe most of you guys, especially the ones that are on YouTube, you guys are coming from the Telegram group. Yesterday when we shared this trade, because I shared it when I showed that it's gonna be shooting upwards and stuff. I just wanna see who caught it. Like, did you guys maybe manage to catch it and stuff? Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. We're doing this, team. We're doing this. Did you guys catch it? And even now, currently it's running at 1.5, which is still good. It's so amazing. Did you guys manage to catch it? Yeah, man. And I won't lie, man. Like, especially like when you're trading on prop firms as well, it's a different type of a game, because the way you also look at the markets, the way you start thinking about the markets, the way you look at things, you see things, you plan and process things, it's a bit more different, especially when you're trading on a live account, because on a live account there's no rules, you just do what you want and all those things. On a prop account, you do respect certain things, you respect risk management, you respect entries, you respect, even if you took a loss, you come back and then you look at how exactly did I take that loss, what encouraged that loss, what can I do better in order to not experience that loss anymore. Those are things that you actually experience when you are on this phase, like when you're trading with prop firms. So yeah, man, don't sleep on them, guys. Do not sleep on them. And even me now, I'm still on the Blueberry funded account. There was a big trade. I showed you guys, I was able to show you that trade that I took when I was like 1:2. My one was like $5,000, my two was $10,000. I was like, I'm just going I just want to pass this challenge. So, but yeah, that's just how we're trading. We're enjoying the markets. We're doing this on a bigger level. And I've seen some people even asking me how can they get access to it. I'll make sure that I put the links in the description below, and you can use the coupon code LISIBA30 in order to get 30% off of the prop account. It's gonna be a game changer. It is a game changer, in fact, because one account is let me just see, I think we done the numbers that time. Let's just see. But I like how this is going. Let's go. We're about to take profit literally on the session. But yeah, man, we're looking at it right here, or the accounts, and I was like, man, even if you're starting with like a 5K account, like the most simplest, this is only $55. Do the maths, take out 30% using the code LISIBA30, and then you can just imagine how far you'd be. There's different types of accounts here, but for me, there's the one that I'm in. I'm on this one here, 100K one step. 100K one step this one here. No consistency, nothing. Let's go. So NASDAQ is doing its things. I just want to see what's going to happen here. I just want it to crack above here, because once it cracks above here, it's dope. So it's either now, because I could even have my stop loss be below. I could even have my stop loss be below here if I want to take maximum profits. Because why? Even in the morning, I was like, I feel like I could just go out, because out of this NASDAQ, because I didn't want to hold it. I entered it looking at the 1 hour time frame, not the 5 minute, 15 minutes. Even the VIP group, I was able to tell them, hey guys, truly speaking, on my side, I entered that looking at the 5 minute time frame. You get it? So it was like something else. It was running.